Hi guys! In today's video, we are going to install WordPress on the AWS LightSail. Installing the WordPress on LightSail is very easy. Just follow the steps. Moreover, we already uploaded the video on how to install WordPress on the EC2 instance. If you want, you can check that out. Okay, first log into your AWS account. If you don't have one, just create one. On the dashboard, search for LightSail using the search bar and click this result. Now, you will be taken to the LightSail dashboard. Under Instance, click Create Instance. On this page, you can configure the instance to your needs. If you want to change the server location, you can do that using this option. Let the platform be Linux and select WordPress. If you want to install WordPress multi-site, you can do that by selecting this option. For this tutorial, I'm gonna go with just WordPress. Scroll down a bit and select the plan you wish to go for. The plan starts from $3.5 and can go all the way to $160 per month. With the basic plan, you get 512 MB of storage, 1 virtual CPU, 20 GB of storage and a 512 GB of transfer limit. And you will also get 3 months free of these 3 plans. However, the free option is not available in all the locations. Once you selected the plan, scroll down and name your instance. I'm just gonna leave it as it is for this tutorial. Finally, click Create Instance. That's it. The LightSail will be installed on instance shortly. Just wait for some time. Once the instance is ready, you can view your WordPress site using this IP address. Just copy and paste it in your address bar. And here it is. To access the site, we need the username and password. To get that, go back to the instance and click this icon. This will open the command console of your instance. Now, paste this code and press enter. Here is the username and the password of your site. Now go back to your site and type /wp-admin at the end of the URL to access the login page. Now enter the username and password. You will then be taken to your WordPress dashboard. That's it guys, this is how you can install WordPress on the AWS LightSail. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me in the comments down below. See you guys in the next video.